I've been counted out, written off. I felt the cold, been shook and lost, but every bruise taught me how to rise. I learned to fight, to claim my prize. I don't wait for permission, I don't bend to opinion. Every step I take is mine to own. Every scar reminds me how I've grown. I move through fire, I move through doubt. The louder they scream, the more I shout. If I think I fall, let them stare. I'm built for storms, I don't scare. Stand on it, no fear, no pause. I earn my crown, I set my laws. Stand on it, rise up, be real. Every hit I take, every wound I heal. I don't take shortcuts, I don't pretend. Every late night grind has a story to send. They see the shine, miss the fight. I turn struggle into power every night. I